Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today is the unboxing and review of the Google Pixel Watch. Let's get started. Alright, so here it is, the all-new Google Pixel Watch LTE with Fitbit built in and Wear OS by Google as well. Now, this is the first time Google has actually pushed out a physical smartwatch. They've always had the software, but now they've got the hardware. So let's just open up the box. And there it is, the Google Pixel Watch. Pull this out here, and it looks like our accessories, yep, they're underneath. And then we've got, inside the box, some paperwork. So a Google stamp here or a card, just a safety guide, and then it looks like our quick start and how to attach the band and so on right here. All right, so let's just undo the band here first, put that aside. And inside the pack, you're going to get a charger, which charges via USB-C, and this is magnetic for the watch. You also get a second active band. Now, the large size, which is installed by default, fits wrists 165 to 210 millimeters around, where the small fits wrists 130 to 175 millimeters around. Now, taking a closer look at the Pixel Watch, you'll notice that this configuration is the polished silver case with the charcoal active band. But if this isn't your style, it also comes in a champagne gold case with a hazel band, a matte black case with the obsidian band, the polished silver case with the chalk band, and all configurations are 41 millimeters in size. Over to the front display, it is a 320 ppi AMOLED display surrounded in a custom Corning Gorilla Glass. The built-in microphone and speakers are located on the left side of the case. On the right, you have the side button and haptic crown. Flipping over the watch, we have some of our sensors, and the Pixel Watch has tons of them that'll allow you to track your heart rate, your blood oxygen levels, and even assess your heart rhythm for atrial fibrillation using the ECG app, which you can then easily send those results to your doctor. Now, when it comes to your battery and charging, the Pixel Watch has a 294 milliamp hour battery, and it should get you up to 24 hours on a single charge. Now, it does charge via USB-C and the magnetic charging cable that came in the box, and you should be able to get up to 50% charge with just 30 minutes and a full charge in about 80 minutes. Now, swapping out the watch bands is incredibly easy, and it's a really cool concept that Google set up here. It is very much like a DSLR camera, the clicking in motion, but I've found that a lot of people are saying that it's hard, and I think it's just a matter of getting used to it as it is a new thing. So on one side, you have a little button. You can see right there, that is the button. And you're going to need to press that in. And when you do that, you're just going to pull the watch band out in the direction of the button. So you just press like so. I'm going to try to do this. Hopefully you can see. Press, and then you just kind of drag this out. It pops right out just like that. And you can see what it looks like inside. Really cool. And to put it back in, I find that even easier because you don't have to kind of press the button. You're going to use the actual watch band here to press the button down. So you're going on top, and then you're just going to click it in like so. Now I'm going to try to keep this in focus here. So we're pressing, and now you can just start dragging. And that's how simple it is. Now, it does take a little bit of getting used to, but once you do get used to it, it's extremely simple. With the wide array of different watch bands and accessories, you definitely have a lot of customization with the physical look of your watch. Tying in with customization is the ability to change your watch face and customize the complications within it. Simply tap and hold, and it'll bring you to the different watch faces that you can access. If you scroll all the way to the right, you can even add a new watch face. And if you go through this list and scroll to the bottom, you can even download more from the Google Play Store. Now, for those of you into health and fitness, the Pixel Watch is heavily integrated with the Fitbit set of applications. You can see we have Fitbit ECG, so you can actually take an ECG with the Fitbit app just by putting your finger over the crown. You can see right here, it's going to go through the ECG. But you also have a whole ton of exercises that Fitbit uses here, like running, biking, and rowing, skiing, powerlifting, sports like yoga, golf, anything like that. There's so many built right in. You also have your heart rate monitor that you can add to any complication on your watch face, and then you'll be able to see the ranges. If we go back one page here, you can track your steps, floors, distance, calories burned, and so on here. You can even see a live heart rate monitor right there. And this is all done through the Fitbit series of applications. So what's great about this is that Fitbit's been around for a very long time. So you're getting something that's been tried, tested already with the software of a smartwatch that Google has put together, and it's been around for a while as well. So you tie those two together, you've got a pretty good watch here that's going to be able to track your health, fitness, and give you the features of a smartwatch all in a small, nice little package. So that's the Google Pixel Watch review. I'm going to be going over a whole bunch of tips, tricks, and tutorials that you can use with this watch. So if you are planning on picking it up, definitely subscribe to the channel so you can get the most out of this watch. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button and hit that bell notification box so you're notified when I post those videos. And as always, I will see you in the next one.